Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another day in math. We're going to be continuing the work on percent change. But for today, I'm going to show you how you're going to be doing your homework, your work assignment for today that's due. There's only going to be 4 problems today because we've already done a couple. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Google document, and then you're going to go and you're going to add your name. So please make sure you actually click on where it says name, and somewhere in there, you're going to write your name. So I'm going to write Todd Schulman. Then, now that I've done that, I'm going to go to try to solve the problem. As I scroll down, I'm going to read my problem. John beat a video game Wednesday in 60 minutes, and then beat it again on Thursday in 40 minutes. What was his percent change? Well, as you can see, I've listed the formula for you, L minus S over O times 100. But in order for me to make sure that you're understanding doing this correctly, I'm going to have you fill out the problems a little bit differently. I'm going to have you take a step-by-step approach. So I'm going to have you go where the L is, and you're going to click after the equal sign, and I'm going to say, what is the largest number? Well, if we look at this problem, the largest number is 60, so I'm just going to click it in there. Then we're going to say, what is the smallest number? The smallest number is 40. That brings us to what I always find the most difficult is, what is the O? What is the original number? Well, if I go back up to my problem, I see Wednesday and Thursday. And if I know the days of the week, Wednesday comes before Thursday, so my original number has to be Wednesday, which is 60. So I'm going to type that in. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to keep solving the problem. And the next part of the problem is, what is L minus S? L minus S would be looking at the number 60 minus 40 is 20. Please be using a calculator, a separate sheet of paper, whatever you need. Then comes the decimal part. I'm going to take this answer of 20, and I'm going to press the divide key by my O button, original, 20 divided by 60, and I'm going to get 0.3333. Now remember, I'm going to be asking for 3 or 4 decimal points. If you only do 3, that is okay. My last step, if we look at it, is multiply by what? That's right, we have to multiply by 100. So my final answer would be 33.33%. Now, I'm not done yet, boys and girls. We still got to figure out, is it an increase or is it a decrease? So I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to reread the problem. And I see it says that John beat a video game 60, then 40. So that number got smaller. So since it got smaller, it's going to be a decrease. And I know I put a little too many spaces here. Not a big deal. If it doesn't look so nice, we just delete it. 33.33% decrease. Let's go on to our second example problem. John sold 10 boxes of cookies on Monday and 16 boxes on Wednesday. What was his percent change? Well, his percent change, again, I'm going to follow the same formula. L minus S over O times 100. And the L is the largest number, which in this case is 16. The smallest number is 10. And my original number, again, what came first? Monday. Monday was 10, so my original number is 10. I then am going to do my subtraction. L minus S, which is 6. That's 16 minus 10. That's how I got that number, in case you were confused. So then I have to divide. I'm going to take this 6 divided by my O, divided by 10, and I'm going to get 0.6. Then, when I multiply it by 100, 0.6 times 100 is 60. And I had to go back to my original problem. It went from 10 to 16, so it was getting larger. So the number is 60% increase. Then I'm just going to delete some of my line, and it all fits in, and you are done. I hope this helped you answer some of the questions you have today. And please know you're going to have a short quiz tomorrow that will be covering decimals to percent to decimals, is over of equals percent over 100, and percent change. Just 5 short problems for you to solve on Friday. If you have any questions, please come to Zoom today at 2:15.